Hi, good morning, and welcome to the ZP webinar on Djuli. So every Tuesday, approximately 8 a.m., but we have gone early today because we've got to catch some flights, etc. But every Tuesday at approximately 8 a.m., we like to do a live webinar on Djuli. I'll go a little bit faster, and today's the 17th of October. And as I say, this webinar is really about Djuli. Now, Djuli, I've got a couple of links here, and I'll and a QR code so you can kind of scan that and hopefully access Djuli. Djuli is a cloud data management system that's specifically set up for electrochemical data. Here I'm showing some voltammetry, so it can handle voltammetry and impedance spectroscopy, and it can also handle differential pulse voltammetry. And I will in a minute show you a live demo of how to upload differential pulse voltammetry. It's probably worth saying that if any of these methods are not clear to you, every month ZP does have a in-person workshop. It's probably worth contacting ZP and finding out about our workshops as well. But let me go a little bit quicker and say yes, we do have these workshops on these different techniques, but we also have this cloud system called Djuli. The particular potentiostat I'm going to cover today is called the Galvanoplot, this GX102. Now, Djuli is a cloud data management system that can receive electrochemical data, but it's also compatible with AnaPot. So AnaPot is a potentiostat from ZP. It's compatible with Emma. Emma is a parallel potentiostat system from ZP. It's compatible with Djuli, is compatible with Galvanoplot, and that's what I'll discuss today. And it's also compatible with PalmSens potentiostats and also AutoLab, MetrOhm, and DropSens. And I will cover them today as well. Or no, actually I won't cover them today. I will actually tell you that the files from these various potentiostats are essentially uploadable, and therefore and we can analyze them on Djuli as well. And also we want to make it compatible with OpenSource Potentiostat, which I think with OpenSource Potentiostat, it's worth seeing that I'll edit the file from the Galvanoplot Potentiostat today. And the way you edit it, you'll see that in fact, once I strip it down to 2 columns of data, then Djuli can deal with that, no problems. So I say here a quick demo. So essentially, let me do the demo now. So this is the file from Galvanoplot. So the Galvanoplot potentiostat has essentially gathered that data. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take off what's called the GPE suffix here and just make it into a text file. Let me just go see if I can do that. Hopefully it's not locked. All right. So what I'll do is I might have to edit it somewhere else on my computer, and I'll drag in that edit elsewhere. I think it's because it's on my desktop. It's actually locked up a little bit. So let me just copy it, and I'm just going to edit it off my desktop. I think sometimes the desktop sometimes locks things a little bit, so I have to. I'm going to do it off my computer and do it elsewhere, which is what I'm trying to do now. So I'm trying to edit this down to a text file by changing its name. So here it goes. Well, I'm doing it on a second monitor that I have. So I'm going to rename this to a text file. What it is, it's just that so I've renamed it to a text file here, and I'm going to open it up in Excel. So let me do that. So I'm opening up Excel here. So I find with this with these files, they have a lot of sort of, I want to say, things going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete that. I don't super need it. And then I'm just going to delete this first column here. I realize that I actually, at this point now, I'm going to save that as file, save as, I'm going to save it as, I'm going to save it as cleaned. Right, and now what I'm going to do is I realize I need an instance of Djuli on my computer as well. So what I'm going to do is I just want to check this again. I realize that it is on my computer, but it may be on a slightly different screen. So this is it here. Yeah, that's it there. What I'm going to do now is, because I'm using two monitors, I'm going to just open up an instance of, I'm just going to open up an instance of Djuli here, and then just show you how to do that. So let me just go Djuli. I'll just sign in. So it's just logging me in, and what it's doing is what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go to my clusters. I'm just gonna navigate that. I'll do my trial clusters here, and I will just I'll just go in here actually and just create a this is now this data file itself. I think it's a DPV, a differential pulse photometry. If you're unclear about differential pulse photometry, it's pretty useful for doing analytical assays. So I'm just going to drag that on and see if that works like that. Yeah, so that goes in like that, and it should really be done at this point. Oops, I just need to go properties. This is discrete data, it's voltammetry, that's good. I'll close that. It's extracting the data now, and then it should actually allow me to present the data. Now I do other videos around analyzing data in Djuli, but today I just wanted to show you that, you know, these file formats that come off this potentiostat, there it is there. The file formats that come off this potentiostat, they have this suffix on their file called GPE, and I just changed it to the text, and then I just opened up that file in Excel and edited the columns, not that much, and then I was actually able to upload the data to Djuli, and now I've got it essentially in Djuli. So let me just really do a quick summary from where I'm at. So I did you a quick, I say a quick demo. I had to do a bit of Windows messing, monkeying around, but I just want to say that there's actually a webinar on Djuli. In fact, this says Sense It All. We do have a Djuli webinar as well. So every month there's a webinar on Djuli. There's a webinar on Sense It All. So ZP does do a lot of free webinars. So hopefully, if you can Google Zimmer Peacock free webinars, you will find a landing page for all the free webinars that we are doing at any one time. So I'm just going to. So I think that's actually a good point. That if I tell you that, in fact, we have a contact page here. This might be useful, that you can contact us and find out about the free webinars that we have coming up. So in summary, Djuli is a cloud data management system. Clearly, by the term cloud, it resides in the cloud. It's able to receive data from AnaPot, Emma, PalmSens, MetrOhm, which MetrOhm, AutoLab, and DropSens, and this Galvanoplot. And here today, I just showed you that I had to change this. It was a differential pulse voltammetry data. I had to change it to a text file. and then I edited in Excel just to get rid of in particular I wanted to get rid of the first column, but I got rid of some other information at the top, and then I was able to just upload that to Djuli, and then Djuli was able to present that data to me. So if you have any questions of ZP and the uploading of data, we do this webinar every Tuesday, and it's our commitment really to the product and to demonstrate that we are supporting this, and we're happy to do live demos on this as well. Okay, got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Okay, thanks very much.